2 years ago, I gave a review of the Harbor Freight chipper shredder, and I really liked it. It was chewing up everything. About 6 months ago, I was going to change the blades, sharpen the blades actually, and I was going to show you how I was going to do that, but it turns out the blades are reversible, so you can just flip them over and continue using them. So that's what I did. Plus they send you extra blades, so it's a really good deal of the chipper shredder. So you can get a lot of uses out of the blades that you get before you ever have to sharpen them. But we've had a lot of storms, a lot of branches have come down. So I figured it was time to give a 2-year update on the chipper shredder and see if it's still going quite as strong as it was when I first got it. Well, needless to say, it's still working like a champ. It has performed flawlessly. I do hate that I can't get bigger than 1.5 inch branches in there. So those branches are just going to become firewood, the ones that are like 2 inches big. For the small stuff, and it handles all that fine. And flipping the blades around and putting the new blades in, it makes it like brand new on the cutting aspect of it. I've already put out some wood chips that I've been using to when I've been cutting up the branches. Like I said, this thing works flawlessly. A couple of things. I believe in my original review, I said I wish I had a place to put this, which helps you push stuff down into the hopper here. I wish they had a place like to store this so you could just put it here when you're actually running stuff through there, because if you leave it up there, it just vibrates right off and falls on the ground. So I usually have to put it on a table or something like that. One negative on this. And then, as you can see here, a couple of small branches in there. This is a protective device here to stop stuff from shooting back out at you. But the more you use this, as you can see, they no longer cover the edge or the hole as they did when they were new, because they were like right up like that when new. But after pushing so much stuff through here, and I've used this a lot, they just bend over time. Occasionally stuff will pop up out of here, so wearing safety glasses is a good idea. When it was new, you know, I never wore safety glasses when it was brand new. Didn't wear gloves either on my hands, but I tell you, gloves on your hands is valuable. When you're pushing a stick like this through and you're holding it, these little I forget what they're called. Spurs. Yeah, they hurt when you're holding them. So I'm always looking for a smooth spot to hold it. So having gloves, though, good work gloves, would just make that a non-issue. But in all, it's held up quite well for 2 years and gotten a lot of use out of it too. Like I said, one of the bigger chipper shredders that cost like $600 at Harbor Freight, while cheaper than maybe other models that you get at Home Depot or something like that. They would handle the bigger stuff, but this serves its purpose quite well. Like I said, it does allow me with the bigger branches then to just stock up for wood for winter, but still would like to chip it all. So let me just show you that it still runs just fine. And that's what happens sometimes when you put the 1.5 inch piece in there. It will temporarily get cause it to trip the circuit, which is fine. So you just hit the reset button here. A lot of times what I'll do is rather than trying to push it through, I kind of bounce it into the blades, let it chip off a little bit at a time, and there we go. So doing stuff like that, it can get a little annoying, but on the whole, you don't run into that too much. That's what I do. Don't pull the plug out because it'll stop it. So two things: don't step on the plug and pull it out, or tie a knot around the plug so you can't do that. And then this also showed why having some kind of storage for this on the device would be handy, because it had fallen on the ground. I had bent down, pick it up to use it. But beyond that, it's still working great. And let's show you the end product. And this bag, surprisingly, has held up well over the 2 years. I expected this thing to have a hole in it by now, but it's actually proved quite durable, surprisingly. But this is the wood chips that I'm getting out of it. Like I said, I flipped the blades around, so it's chopping it up real nicely now. And that's real good mulch. I actually use it to cover the walkways in my backyard. So there it is. So after 2 years, the Harbor Freight Chipper Shredder still working great. And as I keep saying, I've been using it regularly over time, and it's been doing a great job for me. I highly recommend this. This isn't a sponsored video at all. Just something that I've found at Harbor Freight that actually lives up to what it's supposed to do. It's a great price. I think they're still like $80, $90 at most. And occasionally Harbor Freight will have a coupon, or these things will go on sale, particularly for Inside Track Club members. So you can get, 10, 20% off sometimes. So well worth the price. Okay, thanks for watching.